In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Best Buy account. By the end, you will be ready to sign in and start using Best Buy online. First, go to the Best Buy website, open your web browser, and type bestbuy.com into the address bar, then press enter. You should see the familiar blue and yellow Best Buy logo near the top. The page usually shows featured deals and a search bar across the top, which tells you that you are on the correct site. Once the homepage loads, click Account. You will find the account option near the top right corner of the page. It usually appears as the word account, sometimes next to a small person icon. When you click it, a small menu or panel opens below, showing options like sign in and orders. That confirms you are in the right place to start creating your account. From there, select Create Account. Look in that account menu for a link or button labeled Create Account and click it. The website now takes you to a dedicated sign-up page. On this page, you should see a short form asking for your details, along with a heading about creating a Best Buy account. Now enter the requested information, such as your first and last name. Type your real name so your orders and pickup details match your identification if you ever need to show it. The name fields are usually near the top of the form, one box for first name and one for last name. If anything is missing, the page will usually highlight that box after you try to continue. Next, enter your email address. This should be an email you can actually open because Best Buy sends receipts and account messages there. Type it carefully, including the part after the @ sign. A common beginner mistake is a small typo in the email, which means you never see account emails, so it is worth a quick double check. After that, create and enter a password. Choose a strong password that you do not use on other sites, with a mix of letters and numbers if allowed. Many times the screen shows a small meter or checklist that turns green when your password meets the requirements. Some pages also have an eye icon you can click to briefly show what you typed, which helps avoid mistakes. Now add your phone number, if requested. Some versions of the form list this as optional, but it can help with order updates and security alerts. Enter the number with your country code if the page asks for it. If the field is required and you leave it blank, the form will not let you move forward. Once your details are in, accept the applicable terms. There is usually a small checkbox for agreeing to the terms and conditions, and sometimes a privacy statement link nearby. Click the checkbox to continue. If you skip this, the form will remind you when you click the button at the bottom. With that ready, complete any email or security verification. Best Buy may send a code to your email address or ask you to solve a simple challenge on screen. Keep the sign-up page open, switch to your email, find the message from Best Buy, and type the code back into the form. When the code is correct, the page usually updates automatically without losing your information. After verification, click Create Account or continue through the setup. Look for a button at the bottom of the form labeled Create Account or something very similar and click it. The page will pause, then you should see yourself signed in with your name near the top right. That is your confirmation that your new account is ready to use. Your account is automatically enrolled in the free My Best Buy program. That means you immediately start using benefits linked to your account whenever you shop while signed in. You have now created a brand new Best Buy account and joined the My Best Buy program, ready for faster checkout and order tracking. If this walkthrough helped you get set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more guides like this.